Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and today I have for you a review on the cutest nail art starter kit for beginners. Yes, this is a 69-piece set available on Amazon. It's just under $17, so it's really good for beginners. I will have the link down in the description bar below, and also I will have close-up pictures of the items at the end of the video. So let me go ahead, I'm opening it up for you here so you can, I'm going to show everything that is included in here. Look at these striping, metallic tapes, beautiful for nail art. You have all sorts of colors here, and you also have 2 cases of different types of glitter. So this first one that I'm opening here, these are more like flakies in every color you can imagine. So yes, the type of flakies that give you that nail art look of shattered glass, if you will. But yes, and you can see there what they look like in the different colors. Then there are these beautiful glitters. These will be gorgeous for the holidays. You can even, I mean, you can use these for nail art. You can mix them with some clear gel or clear polish, so you can make your own. And you can see how beautifully they bling there, and they're very glittery. Look at those colors. I like the black. I don't have any black glitter, so that's going to be nice. Another thing that I liked are these detail striping brushes for detail work and detail art. I've been overdue to replace my old brushes. Some of them I even have duct tape around them because they got ruined with acetone. But yes, look at the detail bristles on those. So those are great for art. These dotting tools, you can never not have too many of these, although I have given some away and my daughter is in need of some of them. So I'm glad that I have these extra. And of course a pair of tweezers. I like these too because they have the pointy end. And something else, so the everything comes with its own little storage case, and this is a neat case because then you can use these dividers. You can separate and make divide your spaces so you can categorize your items. This case, as you can see, it unsnaps. It's got the 3 layers, the 2 compartments for storage, and then the lid that you saw before in the beginning. And here are the other dividers for the bottom tray or the bottom container. Of course, you have your toe separators are included in here. Your art wheels, these are silver and gold studs in different shapes. And then you have these little plastic rhinestones in all sorts of colors. Some gold stickers with bows and stars, and some that you can make gems out of. We have some guides for your French manicures. And then I love these plastic, these are plastic pearls in different colors, and then some more clear rhinestones. And of course you have your makeup sponges that are good for creating gradients, and then a nice little cuticle brush there for dust removal. So there you guys have it. If you guys have any questions about this little set, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you did, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.